Hello, today's puzzle I'm calling the Möbius loop. You may recognize this shape. It's known as a Möbius strip, which is kind of a unique shape in that if you follow along, you go around the outside and then you end up back on the inside and around and back on the outside again. So what this is one big long track of sliding pieces, 64 pieces, in this Möbius shape loop. And as you can see, I've colored it with 8 different colors. Basically 4 of each color all around the loop. Except for, you'll see here, there's actually 5 pinks here and 3 pinks here. And that's because the sliding pieces are offset. So when they go around the inside here, they have less room when they go around the outside, and that small error adds up and has to be dealt with somewhere. So I decided to put 5 pinks here, 3 pinks here to keep things pretty close. So this is what it looks like solved. And of course, as you can see, you can slide the pucks around the track, and then this pretty conspicuous giant ring here supports the way you scramble this puzzle, which is by turning it like this. And you can actually do a 180-degree turn and now connect different parts of the puzzle together. There we are, back to sort of the solved state. And there we go. So I actually have no idea how difficult this puzzle is. So I don't know if I can solve it, but of course you're going to want to see it scrambled. Good news is I can of course rewind this tape and undo my scramble in reverse, or this puzzle is actually really easy. I can take out these 2 screws here, this frame comes off, these 2 halves come apart, and I can dump out all these pucks and fix it. So let's take a look at what the Möbius loop looks like scrambled. Okay, there we go. So here is a fairly scrambled Möbius loop. I believe this is the first Twisty puzzle in this Möbius strip shape. And hopefully you enjoyed it. And thank you for watching.